Hey everybody, it is JoaniT, your RN Realtor, and Robert.
All roads lead to home.
We're here at a house that we did open houses on a while ago, and it has since been renovated, and we actually have a buyer under contract, so we're pretty pleased about that. In the renovation process, the flipper or the home restorer put nice upgrades in as far as granite countertops. This outlet is wired actually under the concrete, so you don't have a wire sticking out, and it's just really nicely upgraded. And the fact that we were able to get this under contract with somebody we've been working with for 9 months probably stems from the fact that we knew the house pretty well. The bifold and bypass doors all work. The bathrooms are both upgraded. Robert, what do you think?
It's been a really big transition from the old to the new. So they've done a lot of upgrades. In the 2 bedrooms back here, you can see this is the master bedroom.
Oh, right. And it's got 2 closets. So we're under contract for this. I think the list price was $359. We can't tell you what we're under contract for, but we represent the buyer in this one. And here's the 1 bathroom, and the other one is just as nice. If you need a home to buy, if you're looking to renovate or just buy for yourself, call me
Or Bob.
407-948-5592.
407-592-2265.
And I'm sure you'll remember that. Have a good day.
Bye.